Labor activists say another Taiwanese factory abroad is violating workers' rights, exposing them to dangerous chemicals and making them work in unsafe buildings. Electronics maker Pegatron has been in Indonesia's Batam Island since 2019, employing over 7,000 people. And according to these labor activists, those 7,000 have been put in situations they did not sign up for. One worker at the Indonesia plant is joining here today via video link and says they're regularly exposed to chemicals they don't really know much about. A 20-minute video and a safety quiz are about all the safety training he says they have, and their protective wear doesn't go much beyond ordinary masks. He also says they've had to work in a new building, even though it was still under construction. A fallen slab of concrete is among the dangers that have tumbled from above, and thankfully, so far, missed those working below. But people have been hurt. Worker Dedi Kasita says one of his colleagues lost a finger and was simply not rehired at the end of their contract. And these activists worry many more, maybe up to 80% of the workforce, could be hurt in less obvious ways in the long term.
到现在也才5年多，不到6年哦。那这些化学品铺，如果大家对职业病有一些了解的话，通常它从暴露到治病，其实是要非常久的时间。
One union leader is asking whether Indonesian workers' exposure to harmful chemicals has been properly documented. He suspects some Taiwanese companies may be falsifying data, just as they have with pollution reports in the past. He pointed to a recent case in Hsinchu, where a semiconductor company is facing prosecution for manipulating its air pollution data.
所以电子工会在看到这个案子的时候，就产生一个疑问啊：既然这些厂商的空气污染指标造假，那会不会厂内劳工的接触的化学物质也会造假呢？
Still, these labor groups are frustrated in this specific Indonesian case because they say they've been ignored despite blowing the whistle last year. They say Pegatron simply acknowledged it received a report and said nothing further. TaiwanPlus reached out to Pegatron for comment, but is yet to hear back. For now, the Labor Ministry says it's found no wrongdoing, but these activists are upset no Indonesian workers were asked to contribute to its investigation. Labor activists in both Indonesia and Taiwan want to keep the pressure on, making sure conditions in the Indonesia factory improve and that Pegatron keeps any promises it may make. Devin, Tsai, and John Van Trieste in Taipei for TaiwanPlus.